Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out these rollers. They look like crayons. They have like a point, very colorful, very Crayola-ish. So I'm going to be testing them out and see if they work for me. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair, and my hair is already freshly washed and detangled, so I think this is going to make the process a lot more easier for me to put the rods in my hair. So I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch section for each rod, and I only have 40 rods, so that's why I'm using such large sections. And I'm going to be using the Voirhair Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. And I love this product because it isn't crunchy or sticky. It's very lightweight, and I think it will do a great job at setting my rod set. So I'm going to take 1 pump of that product and apply it to the section. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the rod and go to work. So the rods I actually really like them because they snap in your hair very easily, and then all you have to do is wrap your hair around the rod. So it's a really easy and simple concept. It has a little hook at the top. You're going to go ahead and slide your hair into the hook and then wrap your hair around the rod. So when I purchased these rods, I bought them off Amazon. I also noticed that they had these small little clips in the bottom of the container, and I didn't know what they were for until I realized that they are what is going to hold your hair in place. So you're going to go ahead and take those little small clips and snap them to the ends of each rod. And I'm going to do that process throughout my entire head of hair. So here are the steps. Take a 1/2 inch a section of hair, pump some styling foam into your hand, apply that to the section, take the hook of the roller into the section of your hair, and wrap your hair around the rest of the rod. And when you get to the end of the rod, take the clamp to secure your hair in place. After doing this a few times, I began to get a rhythm and it started to go a lot faster, but it did take quite some time to finish my entire head of hair, probably about 45 minutes. So after I'm done, this is how the rods look in my hair. I went ahead and put on 2 satin scarves. I left these in my hair for overnight. So I slept in the rollers, and y'all, sleeping in rollers is a hassle. I barely got any sleep. Alright, so this is the next day, and I'm going to be taking the rollers out of my hair. So to take the rollers out of my hair, all I did was unclamp the clamps and remove the rollers out from the bottom. And I'm sure there are plenty of different ways to remove the roller set, but this is just the easiest way that I found. So after removing the set, this is how my curls turned out. I love how shiny and moisturized they look. And they aren't crunchy or dry, and that's something that I always struggled with when doing any type of rod set. So now all I have to do is to separate the curls, and I'm going to be taking a Walk in the Sun Luxury Hair Oil by Voir, and I'm going to be taking a few pumps of this into my hand and just applying it all over my hair. And I'm going to slowly separate each and every curl to my desire. The more you separate the curls, the more volume you're going to get. And finally, I'm just going to take a pick and pick out my hair a little bit more. And these are my results. And what I love about this style is that it will last a really long time. You literally don't have to do anything. Just wake up, get out the bed, shake your hair, and it still looks good. So I wanted to share with you my day 4 hair, and yeah, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love these curls. I think they're so cute. If you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.